Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Porsche. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.